about 5 days with the uploads have been a bit slow. Sorry, my cat just walked in. Sorry, yeah. So if the... I'll edit that. Hey, Ryan here. Welcome to RC 3D. In this video I'm going to cover my Master Chief Halo armor. I'm building the whole set and I'm doing it in parts. I think I currently have like 2 parts uploaded at the minute. So the chest armor, I printed that out in about 4 pieces. I cut it all up into sections. I'll throw up some B-roll in a minute where I glued it all together. I applied body filler, sanded that, then a primer, and then sanded that, more body filler, sanded that, lots of sanding. I don't know, it's taken me days to get this printed and ready for this video, so I'm going to throw up a load of... Ignore that. I'm going to put up some fast forwarded footage of me putting this together, and in this video we're going to start doing some of the detail work and go over how I made it, in case you want to make body armor for yourself if you're looking to get into 3D printing. But yeah, I also realised this is the first video with my face in it, so this is my face. I'm Ryan, nice to meet you all. Yeah, let's move on. All caught up. Here's the chest piece. Hope you found a lot of that helpful. I tried to condense about 3 or 4 days worth of painting, priming, sanding all down into a few minutes. So as you can see, I did the same weathering a little bit off camera on the helmet just to get the 2 pieces matching nicely, like they've been on the same sort of battlefield or whatever. But yeah, I'm quite happy with this. Just need to get this gold visor in the helmet. So yeah, let's move on and start doing some silver weathering on this chest piece, and then we can call it done. Alright, hang on a second. I just want to quickly mention I have the 117, as you can see here in this footage. It's a sticker that I made and printed out. I'm not happy with it. I'm giving it a dark wash here to try and take some of that gloss away and just put a bit of matte on it so it blends in better with the body armor. It still doesn't look right. It's the paint's sitting on it differently. It's going to come off, but it's not going to come off in this video. So if you see it later on in the footage, you'll notice it. Well, you're probably definitely going to notice it now. But yeah, I'm not happy with it. It's not the final version. I have modeled and 3D printed a stencil of the 117 that I've 3D printed and printed out. That's gonna be the last touches that I do to this. But yeah, I mean, with this sort of thing, are we ever finished touching it up, you know? Right, we got there. So here's the chest plate. It's all weathered. Hopefully I was picking up okay on the camera. I hope you know, learnt something from the video. If there's any of my methods that you think I could do differently, let me know in the comments section. Or anything that you found helpful from this, let me know that as well. Yeah, sort of trying to get it in the camera. My camera's quite sensitive to light. I'm noticing from previous videos, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that, and I do have plans on doing the whole suit. I've mentioned a couple of times. I want to go through the back piece next in the next video, possibly. Part 4 will be something like that. I've got a couple of ideas. Obviously, Master Chief, he has lots of weapons, and this whole suit, you know, the next suit, the back piece is taking me a whole week to print because I've cut it up into 6 parts. I'm currently gluing it together. And I'm going to have it so it sits separately to the chest plate, and then they'll both buckle together. But we'll get into that in a future video. So if you found this helpful, like and subscribe. That'll really help me out, and it'll help you out to keep you up to date for part, what would this be? This would be part 3. So yeah, part 4. So yeah. Thanks for watching and take care. Cheers.